ZANU-PF has announced the co-option of Deputy Mines Minister Paulette Kambamura, Christian Kwati, Joseph Serima, Colin Ndebele, and businessmen kuda kwachitagura into the party central committee. Chamida mashoko buda panguva ino pachinzi ZANU-PF makes a huge announcement. Mashoko ari kuonekwa kunzi zvoitika panguva ino panyoswa kunzi the distinction of the ruling party ZANU-PF. Remember subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda mnamo mdanyo kamchinzi Kambamura was recommended for co-option by Mashonaland West Province, while Gwati, Serima, and Ndebele were recommended by Matabeleland North Province. Tagre's nomination came from Harare Province. Zambia Secretary for Legal Office Patrick Chinamasa confirmed the development in an interview yesterday. In course, the Politburo has endorsed co-options for Mashonaland West, Matabeleland North, and Harare, with all expected to be formally adopted by the Central Committee at the next meeting, said Chinamasa. He said the decision was subsequently confirmed at the 305th ordinary session of the Politburo on July 30, 2025. Kudakwashe Tagure was co-opted by Harare Province and is now a Central Committee member, Chinamasa added. The Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee met on Monday, March 31, 2025, and voted to recommend Tagure's co-option into the Central Committee. In line with the party procedures, the province addressed the letter of recommendation to the party leadership. According to Chinamasa, National Political Committee Machacha tabled the recommendations at the 304th ordinary session of the Politburo on July 2, 2025, where the co-option of Tagure was approved, pending formal adoption by the Central Committee. There was no objection in the Politburo meeting in Harare Province recommendation. He added that at the meeting, Machacha also tabled and secured approval for the co-option of Kambamura from Mashonaland West Province, Kwati and Serima from the Matabeleland North, and Ndebele from Matabeleland North Province. Tomashukuru kuda panguva ino announcement yaitwa neZANU-PF zvakonfirmewa aiwa in an interview Patrick Chinamasa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.